All right, so now we are using molarity to find solute mass and solution volume. So in this case, in this question, we have a chemist adding 430 milliliters of a 4.74 molar silver nitrate solution to a reaction flask. Calculate the mass in kilograms of silver nitrate the chemist has added to the flask. So what is the actual mass in kilograms of solute in this 430 milliliters of 4.74 molar solution is what they're asking us to find. Well, again, let's list our givens, what they tell us from the very beginning. They tell us that we have a volume of 430 milliliters of solution, and they tell us that the concentration of this silver nitrate solution is 4.74 molar, and the units of molarity are moles per liter. So from this information, we're supposed to be able to calculate the mass in kilograms of solute. Well, how do we find that? Well, we're able to find this using the formula for concentration. Concentration is equal to amount of solute per unit volume. So if the concentration of this solution is 4.74 molar, or moles per liter, and if the volume of this solution is 430 milliliters, then we can find the amount of solute and convert it to kilograms. So let's take our givens and plug them into this formula and make sure that the units match. Well, we have a problem here. The units of our concentration are moles per liter, and the units of volume is milliliters. So what we need to do is convert this volume to liters as well. So this would be a simple conversion. It'd be that many liters. So now I can take these values and plug them into this formula for concentration. Concentration is again equal to amount of solute per unit volume. Our concentration is 4.74 moles per liter, and that's equal to N, which we don't have, divided by the total volume of the solution, which we do have, which is 0.43 liters. So now let's just solve for N. What is N equal to? I multiply both sides by 0.430 liters, cancels out here, and I multiply this side by the same thing. And look at our units. Liters is now going to be canceled out, and the units of my answer for N will be some value moles. So when I do the math and I multiply 0.430 times 4.74, the number of moles of solute that I get is 2.0382, non-rounded. That many moles of solute, and what is our solute? Silver nitrate. So now I take this many moles of silver nitrate, 2.0382, and I convert it to kilograms. So of course our first step will be to convert it to grams using the molar mass of silver nitrate. 1 mole of silver nitrate is 169.87 grams of silver nitrate. Moles cancels out. And then I add a second conversion factor to take me from grams of silver nitrate to kilograms of silver nitrate. And that conversion factor is 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. The calculator answer that I get is 0.3462 kilograms of silver nitrate. If I check my units, moles of silver nitrate cancels here, grams of silver nitrate cancels here, and I'm left with kilograms of silver nitrate. Well, I need my answer to be rounded to 3 significant figures because that is the limitation of my initial values. And so this rounded to 3 significant figures would be 0.346 kilograms. And I have my final answer.